Alright, so we're down in the parking lot underneath the cross.
That's the side view.
And I don't know, yeah, this is side view of it, and you can see the little window there.
Yeah, we've been there.
Maybe, and we've been up there. You can come out all the way to the edge there, and has a very, very, very good view around the whole thing. So, it is beautiful up here, though. It's a nice warm day. I would say it's probably about 27, 28 degrees Celsius. Fahrenheit, 83, 85, something like that. All right, so are we going to walk down again?
Yeah, we need to go to the museum.
Yeah.
We'll take a picture.
We got to get you into the museum. We will take some pictures. We are not allowed to do video in there. So we are going to obey that. A lot of details in these sculptures, though. There is a fallen soldier. Yeah, a lot of details. And they repaired them. Some of them were actually falling apart.
Yeah, when we visit last 2 years here.
So now they have actually started fixing them a little bit. Look at the views here, guys, behind us. I don't know if you can see it there. You can probably see it. Incredible views. So now we're going to start our descent here again and walk down there to the museum and see what we can do in there. I might make this video in 2 parts and make the museum
Part 1, part 2.
make the museum part 2, because then we can work on that a little bit and get it up and give a little bit of history of it. See you at the museum.
Dito na tayo dapat mamaya. Oh,
I bet you it's pretty slippery here on these rocks when it's raining. '51st Division, 61st Division here. Honorable defeat and the final victory. Yeah, the 71st Division here. And like I talked about, here is a symbol of the death mark. Yeah. And you have also the 81st Division. So there was a few army men up here on this mountain. To the angels.
Geneva Jenkins.
Yeah.
So,
To the angels.
yeah, I saw that there's
In honor, well, let's see, what does it say? In honor of the valiant American military, women
who gave so much of themselves in the early days of World War II.
they provided care and comfort to the gallant defenders of Bataan and the corridor. They lived on a
Starvation diet.
shared bombing, staffing, sniping, sickness, and disease, while working endless hours of heartbreaking duty. These nurses always had a smile, a tender touch, and a kind word for their patients. They truly earned the name.
Yeah.
The Angels of Bataan.
This is all the nurses who served the fallen soldier. I saw Jenkins eh.
Yeah, Jenkins is
Popular.
popular in this family. And you have some things here. Maybe we shouldn't be on the grassland. But it's 31st Infantry,
Yeah.
United States Army, America's Foreign Legion.
He's waving his hands. Hurry up! Hurry up! Yeah, look at that. That's another canyon over there. And there's one over there also. That one. I think they have 4 or 5 canyons here in this area. So yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful place here. Yeah, look at that. Oh, there you go. Who are you?
Why do I need to hurry?
Because I miss you.
Ah, okay. All right. Down there, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a lot of factories down there. You see it?
Yeah,
Plants.
I think they see it.
Then you see that little bay to the left. That's where your uncle lives.
Yeah,
And that's where we're heading next. So see if we can pick up some more fish.
yeah. Let's see. We're hoping.
See if they got some.
Yeah.
Alright. So basically, if you look around here, up here, do you see the mountains? On that little model they have in the museum, this is what you see in the background. It's pretty interesting. Alright, so we're finally done. Went through the museum and we got a lot of pictures there, so we're going to try the next one. What amazes me here is they really keep this place nice, clean. That's totally different from what you see in most places here in Philippines. Dirty everywhere. But now you can see the horizon down there. That's where the Manila Bay is. And on a clear day, you can actually see across and see Manila. It's about 60, 70 kilometers across.